Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the adapters you need and opening the hotspot controls. On Windows, go to Settings Network and Internet Mobile Hotspot. On Mac OS, use System Settings Sharing. Once done, pick a clear SSID and a robust password so devices can find you securely. Make sure you choose the right source connection to share, either Ethernet or your Wi-Fi adapter, and toggle the hotspot on. You're now broadcasting, but don't connect devices until you confirm the next settings. Now configure the details that control performance and safety. You should set the hotspot band, choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. The choice affects compatibility and throughput. Next, set a device limit and enable any built-in data or time limits to prevent overuse. Make sure your firewall allows tethering and that file sharing is turned off unless you want it. Once finished, save settings so devices can authenticate and start using the connection. Connect your phone, tablet, or laptop using the SSID and password you set. You should see an authentication message and get an IP address automatically. If a device fails to connect, restart its Wi-Fi and forget the network, then rejoin. If speeds are poor, switch between 4 and 5 GHz or disconnect unnecessary devices. And if clients connect but lack internet, verify the source link, Ethernet or primary Wi-Fi, restart the hotspot, and temporarily disable firewall.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.